All right, we need to determine which statement is correct. So if we look at A, it says the table is proportionate. B, the table is proportionate. C, the table is proportionate. And D, the table is proportionate. So we do not need to go back and check to see if this table is proportionate. All of them are. So none of this is going to alter. So we can go ahead and just focus on the part that is different because all of those are the same. So for here, the x value from left to right increases by 3. So x to left to right means there it increases by 3. So it's plus 3, plus 3. And that is correct. X values from left to right increase by 3. But that is not the only reason, because on the second one, the y values from left to right increase by 27. And this does increase by 27, and this does increase by 27. The third one is the y value is 9 times the corresponding x value. And so how we're going to find that out is we have here it says the y is 9 times. So it's 36 times 9 is going to equal 4. And that is correct. 36 times 9 equals 4 because that is our simplified ratio, because it can be 1 to 9. On D, the y value divided by the corresponding x value is not the same value. That's incorrect because it's the same. So 9C is your answer.